Alright, what's going on, everybody? My name is Michael, and I'm with the Express Lane. I've been working here for about a year and a half now. And yes, what I like about Perkins is we have certain employees, who love their job, and it makes it easier for you to come in every day, excited and ready to go. So I love that we can interact with people and work at the same time. While also making this a best place to work at. Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. 100%. Because especially my department, we have a bunch of employees, right? I have a bunch of coworkers there, who's always ready to work. Who accept people the way they are, and just welcome you with open hand. So yeah. Always more than welcome. It's a great experience. It's a great time.